Today our Huskies are getting fishy with their new Salmon Dog Treats from GRUB TERRA. These treats are made in the US of A and shipped right to you in a nice resealable bag. The bag not only contains your fish treats, but a really potent and fishy smell that your fur babies will go nuts for.
What is that?
That's because these are 100% natural and selected from high-quality American salmon. It's a single ingredient dog treat with nutrition facts that you can actually read and say out loud. I opened it up and let the Huskies pick out their own pieces. My oldest Husky immediately killed her piece of fish. It's so pure that she thought she had a real fish. Look at her trying to break the treat's neck. She's so cute. Our other Husky loved it too. Sometimes she'll roll on things that smell fishy, but she couldn't help but eat these treats. She scarfed them down right away. Our oldest Husky was clearly not okay sharing with the kitties, but she never hurt them and they know it. One managed to sneak by and steal a little piece. She was running around the house and growling at us, protecting her fish prize. I had to take it away though because they're actually pretty tough treats. It takes the Huskies some time to get through them. After a long hike, I always give them a piece of fish. They get so excited they jump and take it right from my hand. Then they chew on it for a while and use their paws to stand on it and pull to shred it. I really think it tires them out by the time they're done. They always get so excited for treat time, and then they're so content after. Not only is this good for treats, but you can cut it up and put it on their meals. These treats are rich in omega-3, which helps support healthy immune system, it helps decrease inflammation, and even helps keep your dog's coat looking shiny and healthy. So why not make treat time more fun and healthy for your fur babies? They also make bully bites and moo munchies, so you can even have some variety for treat time. I know my Huskies can't wait to try them all. So if you'd like some healthy dog treats with a single ingredient, these treats from GRUB TERRA might just be for you. If you'd like to get some for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go shred some fish for my Huskies' next meal. See ya!